You've learned how natural oils, vitamins, and botanicals protect your skin. Now, meet the product that brings it all together. The Ella Pure Peptide Moisturizer by Dr. Christina Rahm. This isn't just a moisturizer, it's a fortress for your skin. Formulated with 4 powerful pillars of protection, it combines a natural oil complex to rebuild your lipid barrier, vitamins B5 and E for hydration and antioxidant defense, botanical extracts to support your skin microbiome, and a clinical-grade peptide complex. At the heart of this formula is Matrixyl 3000, a dual-action peptide complex that works at the cellular level. It acts as a messenger, stimulating your fibroblasts to produce new collagen, while simultaneously suppressing the inflammatory cytokines that break down your existing collagen. For complete skin regeneration, synergy is key. While the Ella Pure Peptide Serum acts as the builder, delivering active ingredients deep into the skin, the peptide moisturizer acts as the protector, locking in those benefits and defending against environmental damage. Ready to experience the ultimate in skin barrier defense? Click the link in the description to get your Ella Pure Peptide Moisturizer today. Don't forget to use code ROTLEVELHEALING at checkout and subscribe for more skincare science.